Welcome to Bhavana's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare multiple recipes using electric pressure cooker. I have seen my mother cooking multiple recipes at once using one of her tall storage container, and she would cook the food for almost about 10 to 15 people every single day. My father is a farmer and we actually have to cook for the laborers even that work on our farms. And so I saw my mother cooking every morning multiple recipes quickly using the method that I'm going to show you today. So let's begin. Today I'm actually making Gujarati cuisine thali recipe that includes khichdi, curry, saag, roti, salad, and some other condiments that totally optional, but let's begin. Here I have taken all the ingredients for the stuffing. Into this bowl I'm going to prepare the masala. Take about half tablespoon of chickpea flour, besan, salt to taste, couple of tablespoon ground peanut, cumin powder, jeera powder, coriander powder, dhania, whole cumin seeds, jeera, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, haldi, red chili powder. Now this is the mild one, so I'm using a little bit more here, but you can add as per your preference. Brown sugar, optional. Give it a good mix to all dry ingredients. Perfect. Now garlic paste, ginger paste, you can add as per your taste. And also I'm going to squeeze a little bit of a lemon, and to wet masala I'm going to add oil. And now mix it very well. Perfect. This is mixed well. Next, here I have baby eggplants. Take one eggplant at a time and remove the stem. And then just a slightly little part of the tip from the other side as well. And then just make a plus sign. Not all the way, but I keep about 10%, or I could say 20% of portion uncut. And I prefer to keep the half of the stem with this. What it does, it keeps the eggplant intact even if you stuff, and once even it is cooked, it keeps the eggplant whole. So that's the reason I keep it. And you can remove the brown parts like so. So here I have my baby eggplant blooms ready, and now it's time to stuff them. Widen the splits and stuff eggplant. Just stuff enough, not too much. Try to bring it to the down of the eggplant like so. And I'm going to stuff the remaining eggplants. Alright, so I'm done with all the eggplants. For the pot in pot cooking method, I'm taking half cup of short grain rice and half cup of moong dal with skin. I'm going to wash really well. Now for total 1 cup of rice and dal, I'm going to take 2 cups of water. You can take more water for soft khichdi. Salt, turmeric powder, haldi. Give it a quick stir, and khichdi is ready to set into the cooker. So here I have everything set to go into the electric pressure cooker. For stuffed eggplant, ringan ravaiya, here I have more masala. You can also add some green peas. I have frozen green peas here, and potato, aloo. So here I have trivet that goes into the electric pressure cooker. First, I'm going to add little bit of oil. Now I haven't turned on or use any kind of function yet into the pressure cooker. I haven't turned on the pressure cooker. So take a little bit of oil, arrange all the stuffed eggplants. If desired, you can saute for a little bit, but I don't find it necessary. Next, I'm going to add green peas, potato. I'm going to add all the masala even. Actually, you can just add water in there and then add more water as needed. You can add as much or as little water as you like, but be sure that you have enough water to cook everything. And now you can use this tall trivet inside. You can also use even taller than this. I have this one 2.5 inches high. This one is 3.5 inches high. So depending on what you are making, but for this recipe I have a good enough space for the bottom recipe to cook, and on top I'm going to place khichdi and cover the khichdi. Now if you have some regular rice, white rice, you may not need to cover, but since I'm making khichdi, I don't want it to like make a mess here, so I'm just going to cover it and ready to lock the pressure cooker. And I'm going to use steam function. Using the menu, you can bring onto the steam function, and by default it's just 5 minutes only. I'm going to increase it to 12 minutes and then start. So now once you have your sabji and khichdi into the electric pressure cooker, let electric pressure cooker do its own job and you can prepare some other stuff. The best thing I like about electric pressure cooker is that it can keep your food warm until you are ready to serve. So I'm going to prepare rest of the other stuff like rotli, curry and salad. Here I have simple salad ready, which has a cucumber, tomato and onion. You can even season with salt, cumin powder. And here I have curry ready as well. The cooking has ended, so release the pressure naturally or you can just release manually. Open the cooker carefully and let me show you first khichdi. Carefully remove the lid and as you can see khichdi is ready. Carefully remove the pot. And below you can see stuffed eggplant, rawaiya. So let me remove the trivet. And rawaiya also looks great. So as you can see now, all the recipes quickly you can prepare and you have a full meal ready. So here I have khichdi, rawaiya, kachumbar, curry and rotli. I highly recommend to check out my cookbook for more tips and tricks. And it is now available on Kindle, Cooking Smart with Bhavna, vegan vegetarian electric pressure cooker recipe. Yes, this book is dedicated to electric pressure cooker recipes, but you can always adapt many of my recipes to cook in your regular pot or on your stovetop pressure cooker. So the recipes can be customized to your liking. This book is all about cooking multiple recipes at once. That's the main thing I wanted to cover, that how you can save a lot of time in your kitchen by cooking multiple recipes at once. So you can use pot in pot technique. Even my Indian cooking meal these days, I prepare rice, dals, sabji all together in just one single shot, and you can cook multiple grains at once that cooks at the same time. So there are a lot of things to learn from this book, and I'm sure you will love this book to read again and again and follow the recipes again and again. And this book actually features a lot of techniques and tips that you can use in your kitchen to save a lot of time and cook efficiently. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and specifically for Indian cooking, I recommend to get at least 6 or 8 quart of pressure cooker, even if your family size is small. And for bigger family, of course, you can go up to 10 quart pressure cooker. I'm sure it will make your cooking very funful and easy, and you will always want to cook something. It actually motivates me to cook a lot of food in my kitchen. Before I had sort of pressure cooker, now I am totally onto the electric pressure cooker, and I can prepare the grains, beans, lentils for the whole week even. You can then refrigerate or freeze and use it in your salad, soup. So there are lots of possibilities. I could say endless possibilities. But in this video, I hope I made Indian cooking easy, because for a lot of people, Indian cooking is like kind of intimidated because of the fact that it requires a lot of time, and it does. So this way I can actually at least have some time saving. If you like this video, please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week, and you can have your notification bell on to receive whenever I post new recipe videos or any kind of cooking kitchen related videos actually. And you can also visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. In fact, on my website I'll be posting a lot of tips and tricks using an electric pressure cooker. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching and see you soon.